if you want to perform a hard reset on your Samsung, so the first way of doing this is through your settings. So open up your settings. Before that, I recommend you creating a backup. You can create your backup in your accounts and backup sessions. So choose backup data and follow the simple on-screen instructions, right? After that, to complete our backup, we can open up our General Management tab, scroll down to your Reset tab, choose your Factory Data Reset, and confirm your choice by pressing Reset. So the second way in doing this is through your recovery menu. So turn off your phone, hold your power button, choose your power off option. After that, on some new Samsungs, we have to plug them in before we would start all of our resetting process. So find your charging port, grab your USB-C cable and plug it in. After that, we got to locate three buttons: our power button, our volume up button, it's right here, and our Bixby button. On newer phones, you don't need to hold your Bixby button. However, on this one, I have to do this. So keep in mind, on newer models, simply power button plus volume up button would be enough. Now hold three of those buttons simultaneously and keep on holding them until your recovery menu will appear. Here it is. Great. So we can navigate through this menu using volume up and volume down button. And to make a choice, we have to press our power button. Now we gotta find our Wipe Data Factory Reset option. Choose your Factory Data Reset option and press your power button. After that process will be complete, you will be thrown back to your Android recovery mode. Simply choose Reboot System Now or Power Off. Depends on what are you going to do with this phone, right? So choose it by pressing the power button, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.